Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you Carl's hairstyle. So guys, if you want to style your hair, if you want to put your own curls on your hair, I hope you're going to enjoy this video up to end so that you can find something for you or something good on you. So guys, you can see this, it's really simple, nice and quick, and I want to welcome to this channel. If you're first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like and share for more beautiful hairstyle. I'm always here to share different hairstyle, hairstyle with curls, without curls, how to style natural hairstyle, simple hairstyle for natural hair, for just hairstyle for black woman. Okay guys, I hope you're going to like it, you're going to enjoy it. So guys, you can see that this really so quick and easy. You can do it for yourself. If you don't have time, you can go to salon and someone to do it for you. At the same time, you can look good as long as you're going to share something here. So guys, you can see this, it's really so simple, very simple, quick. So once again, welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah. I'm always here to share different hairstyles. So guys, this is really so beautiful. Deborah hairstyle. I'm always share natural hairstyle, hairstyle with curls. So guys, like this one, it's really so simple, quick and nice, elegant. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. I hope you're going to find something here. It's better to watch the video up to end because I bring for you like a 4 different hairstyle with curls. Enjoy the video. God bless you more. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for me with more beautiful hairstyle because I'm still share different hairstyle here. So guys, enjoy the video.
Último penteado da nossa saga de penteados para as festas de fim de ano. Vem comigo aprender esse penteado lindo. Comecei dividindo meu cabelo do lado, separei a mecha e peguei mais uma mecha do outro lado. Pra me ajudar no penteado, eu usei a gelatina de superfixação da Colene. Apliquei a gelatina na mecha, alinhando com o pente e depois juntei essa mecha com a outra mecha que eu tinha separado. Em seguida prendi atrás, alinhei mais com a escova de dente, fiz o baby hair também e soltei uma mechinha pra dar um charme. Pra finalizar usei o creme da Colene, o brilho poderoso, junto com a gelatina de ultra definição. Eu não gosto muito de misturar a gelatina e o creme, então eu aplico a gelatina sozinha desse jeito que eu mostrei no vídeo. E o resultado do penteado foi esse. Vocês não têm noção do quanto que eu amei esse penteado. Ele é simples e fácil, mas fica bem lindo e arrumado. Eu coloquei uma presilha pra dar um charme e deu toda a diferença. Amei muito.